I'm Chef Amy Hoagie, and I'm here to teach you how to play with food. Today we're playing with stir fry, chicken stir fries, and we're making a honey garlic chicken. And thank you for joining me, Justine. She's my assistant today, one of my cooking students.
Thank you for having me.
The fit cook, loves to eat healthy. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me. This is good.
I'm going to drizzle a little olive oil in here. Oh, maybe 1 to 2 tablespoons. Especially when you're adding broccoli, it likes garlic. Or it likes garlic, it likes olive oil too.
They like each other. It's a good
They like each other. We're going to add a little bit of
broccoli and some garlic.
That's right. A little bit of garlic, maybe a tablespoon. Now I've got this on medium-high. I love this pan, so you have a little bit more manipulation than you do when you have a tabletop stir-fry pan, or wok, I should say. Ooh, that smells yummy. Okay, let's go ahead. You want to toss in some broccoli, and I'm going to add in some chicken.
The whole thing?
No. This is a one-person, one-person serving. And it's all about balance and blending, okay? So that, oh look, we got to throw that guy in there now.
We're going to have to now.
The little guy, and I need my spatula.
I did it again. That's my fault, my mistake.
I could do my French culinary, flip it around. Oh, let's throw some carrots in there, will you?
Yeah. That's all about portion.
Thank you. And look at the color. We got green, we got orange. A little bit more.
A little more.
And I finally chop up my carrot because it just cooks a whole lot faster. Time is a factor right now with a lot of people, so if you prep all this ahead of time, keep your fridge stocked, you know, have some honey on hand. We got honey, some minced ginger I'm going to be using, and some hoisin sauce. Hoisin goes a long way. It's got what you said, miso.
Got
some miso. It's got a little sugar. Got probably some soybean oil in there.
Now the miso is going to give you a little bit of salt, so you go easy on it.
Give me a little more splash of olive oil, would you?
Yeah. Get a little dry in the pan, but don't be afraid of the oil. Just don't.
A little bit more.
A little more. See?
Gracias. Okay.
They're the good kind of fats.
Okay. And my ginger. We need our ginger. Now, this is my minced ginger right here. Okay. You can get it I think a lot of the natural food stores, but a lot of like Whole Foods, local shops that have like a healthy food section, right. Asian section, have this nice minced ginger. Or actually in the produce. Yep. But I like it because it doesn't have the high fructose corn syrup. Look for the ones that with the pure cane sugar in it. It needs that to go ahead and preserve itself, a little preservative. So now I'm going to add a little honey.
Now that's a really good sweetener too.
Now, yeah, your body likes honey a lot more than high fructose corn syrup.
Well, that's not going to spike the blood sugar up either, and you're going to go through that crash, and then that's why people
can overeat.
Yeah, I can stir.
I'm going to add a little bit of hoisin.
Put some hoisin in.
Hoisin. And then I think that actually we're done. I'm going to add a little bit of water because those are they're thick, and so we want to thin it down a little bit. That honey is very thick, and you want to make sure it covers all your food in there.
Stir fry constantly keep stirring. Just keep
because it's a stir fry.
Exactly, stir and fry.
Okay, why don't you get our brown rice over there? We got some short grain brown rice already cooked. Ooh, and I love a little sauce. This has a nice sauce.
Preparing in advance. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
That looks beautiful, and it smells so good. This is so much better than stopping off at the store and paying so much money for something that you don't really know what's in.
Your body doesn't know what to do with it.
Exactly.
Here you have it. A little bit of brown rice in there. Here you have it. You've got brown rice with a nice chicken stir fry with our honey garlic and a little bit of love. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. You can check me out on my website at chefamy, that's with 2 e's.com.